Hi everyone, Tim here from Whitehorse CAD. Today I'm going to show you how we created the design for a stainless steel surround to go around a hexagonal table. It's a nice, quick and easy design. We'll start on the top plane and we'll do a sketch. Hexagon. And we'll get a diameter. 800 now. We'll have a little join in the middle, so we'll just trim away the bottom there. So a small gap there. We'll extrude that with the base flange. 50 mm. Come along nicely, and the top and bottom parts will become one feature. If we use a edge flange, there it is. Click on this edge, we'll drag it out here, and we'll say it's going to be 25 mm long. And we'll click all these edges in turn, and as you can see, it automatically miters the edges for us, the corners. And of course, we can do the other side as well. I just thought this was a really neat way to create relatively complex geometry really quickly. There we have 2.5 minutes. And we have a flat pattern as well. And there we go. Nice and quick, nice and easy. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll be along with some more hints and tips soon. Thank you for watching.